Once you are at the Westchester Library System website, you have to stop by Listen, Read, and Watch and click Overdrive. This will bring you to the Overdrive homepage. Once there, you have to sign in. Enter your library card number and your PIN number. Your PIN is usually the last 4 digits of the phone number on your account. Sometimes your computer will give you the option to save the password. That is totally up to you. Now you want to search for a book. Once you're at the Overdrive page, you press search and simply type in the book that you're looking for. I feel like cooking, so I'm looking for a cookbook. Once you find the book, click borrow. You could choose to borrow it for 7 or 14 days depending on the book. And you could read it with your Kindle, you could read it in your browser, or you could download it. For me, the easiest way is reading it now in your browser. You could swipe through the pages as you would if it was a regular book. Another option you have is you can click the chapters and it'll automatically take you to the page that you're looking for. If you want to use Overdrive on your phone, simply install their mobile app called Libby. Once you've downloaded the app, open it, and the app is going to ask you if you have a library card. So first, follow all the prompts. So search for your library. This is purchase. And then select your library. Now you could add your library card. Press next. Now you're ready to search for a book. You could either check what's recently been checked in, or you can explore. The best way for me is I just search. We could look for the book we were looking for before. You could either place it on hold if it's available now. This one isn't, so let's practice placing a hold. Simple as that. When you go to your shelf, you could see what items you have out. Currently, I have none. And you can see what holds you've placed. And it'll tell you how long you have to wait for your hold. And you could even read a sample of the book. If you're looking for a book to read right away, the best place to start is recently checked in. Here, it'll give you a list of all the books that have recently been checked in with no wait list. Go to recently checked in, go to refine, and make sure the availability is set to available now. Scroll through to find the book that you want. Press borrow. And there you go. To read the book you just checked out, click on Read With or Read Now, depending on if you just borrowed it, and click Libby, this app, which is the easiest way to read the item on the application. Once the book loads, you can scroll through it like a regular book. Just swipe to the left or swipe to the right. If you drag upwards, it will give you the amount of chapters and show you your progress of the book. You could make the text bigger, or you could make the text smaller. If you need more help with using Overdrive or Libby, please contact your friendly neighborhood librarian.